No one is coming to save you. Not your parents, not your boss, not your friends, not even life itself. It's just you, against your excuses, your comfort zone, and the clock. You keep waiting for the perfect time, the perfect plan, the perfect mindset. But while you're waiting, someone else is training. Someone else is waking up at 5 a.m. Someone else is getting uncomfortable so they can grow. The truth is simple. Growth requires override. Override the fear. Override the laziness. Override every thought that tells you to wait another day. You don't need a grand plan. You need one action. Today, one step forward, one rep, one decision to say, this ends now. You train your body in the gym, but your mind? That's the battlefield. And most people lose because they never even show up. The strongest version of you isn't waiting in the future. He's being built right now in every hard choice, every early morning, every moment you choose discipline over comfort. This is growth override. This is where excuses die, where comfort gets crushed, where you stop scrolling and start building. You want clarity? Take action. You want power? Earn it. You want change? Then override who you were and build who you're meant to be.